We built Nisnas Industries 2 years ago to do what we love, produce commuter gear. We love the commute. We believe in making our daily commute more effective, enjoyable, and beautiful. Our wood and leather products are a result of this philosophy. We imagined, designed, meticulously scrutinized every detail, and finally produced this initiative we call the St. John Street Project. It's named after the streets where we welded our first bike in the Wadi Nisnas Neighborhood in Haifa. We're 20-year veterans of the cycling industry and very big fans of the individual commute or public transport as alternatives to cars. We've lived and commuted on bike, subway, train, bus, or foot in some of the biggest and most challenging cities in the world. We learned from the streets of Brooklyn, New York City, Cairo, Boston, and here our home in Haifa. It's challenging streets, stunning hills, and tight alleyways. The neighborhood of Wadi Nisnas and the city of Haifa became our commuting laboratory. The aesthetic and function of our designs are products of testing in our home lab. We produce with recycled wood found in local wood shops, laser cut, polished, and restored to the highest quality. Our leather work is a result of close cooperation with some of the most talented leather artists still working in traditional methods. We only produce useful everyday tools that we think are beautiful and functional for commuting, working folks everywhere. For us, form always follows function, but the aesthetic tells an important story, and so does the choice of material. We wanted the St. John Street project to show the connection between Nisnas to Wadi and the urban experience that our product were built to serve, while simultaneously showcasing what the Wadi is all about: rugged dependability, art, activism, youth, and pride. The final product is this set of commuter gear that is unique, aesthetic, steeped in community tradition, and super useful. We hope you love them as much as we do.